Thinking about starting your own poultry farm business, whether it is for eggs, meat, or both, you are in the right place. In this video, we will walk you through how to start a poultry farm business from scratch, step by step. You may decide to start layers, broilers, and even dogs. But before then, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate your love and your support. So I'm here today with a wonderful video, the video that many have been waiting for. How to start a poultry farm business from a scratch. Today we are diving into the basis of launching a successful poultry farm, even if you have no experience. So we are going to look at 8 steps to starting a successful poultry farm from scratch. So don't miss out any of the steps, as all the 8 steps are very important. So if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please like, subscribe, and share. So step 1. Step 1 is research and planning. Step 1 is research. Understand the types of poultry farming. We have broilers for meat, and we have layers for eggs, or both. Look into local regulations, zoning laws, and market demand in your own area. Knowledge is your foundation. So you need to acquire the basic knowledge for you to be able to go into poultry farming. Step 2. Choose your poultry type. Next, decide which birds you will raise. Broilers grow very fast and are ready for market in 6 to 8 weeks. And layers start producing eggs in about 18 to 20 weeks. Each has different care, cost, and returns. So we are heading to step 3. Step 3. Create a business plan. Write a solid business plan. Include your budget, target market, feeding cost, marketing strategy, and potential profits. This will also help if you need funding or a loan. But as I always used to say, start poultry business with what you can afford or with what you'll be able to manage. Don't start with a loan. Start small and grow big. So, step 4, build a coop. You don't need a huge plot to start. Even a backyard can work for small scale farming. Your own very backyard, you can start from there. Ensure proper ventilation, cleanliness, and safety from predators. A well-designed coop is critical for birds' health. So you can construct a coop depending on the size that you have, the space that you have. Even if you don't need a complete plot to start your own poultry farm, you can start from your backyard while you grow. So we are heading to step 5. And step 7 and 8 is more important. So don't skip any of the steps. Step 5 now, get the right equipment. Invest in basic equipment like feeders. Of course, you cannot start poultry farm without feeders, drinkers, brooding lights, and power backup. You can always upgrade as you grow. You can always upgrade as you grow in this business. Step 6 now. Buy healthy chicks. That's very, very important. Where you order your chicks from is very important. Buy healthy chicks. Purchase your chicks from a reputable hatchery. Make sure they are vaccinated and healthy. For a small start, consider 100 to 500 birds. Remember, you are just starting. You can start small with this good number of 100 to 500 birds. So, where you order your birds from is more important. Ensure that you order your birds from a good hatchery. Don't just order your birds anyhow and don't follow the cheap cost. So step 7. Step 7 now. Feed and care. Feed your birds high quality feed and fresh water. Clean the coop regularly and watch for signs of illnesses. Healthy birds, high profit. Healthy birds, high profit. Always ensure that you feed them with high quality feed. Don't manage feed and always ensure that you give them the required quantity. Step 8 now. Step 8, and very, very important. Very, very important, and this is the reason why you are doing poultry farming business. Step 8 is marketing and sales. Start small. Sell to neighbors, local markets, restaurants. Build trust with customers by delivering fresh, clean, and healthy products. Of course, this is the reason why you decided to start poultry farming, because you want to make money out of it. You want to make millions out of this poultry farming. Starting a poultry business takes effort and patience, but with the right knowledge and care, it can be a steady and rewarding source of income. So, I encourage you to start your own poultry farm today. Start small while you grow big. From zero, this is what I call from zero to millions. From zero to millions of dollars. So please subscribe for more farming tips. Like, share. If you have found this video helpful, thank you so much for watching. Please, I have so many videos on my channel. How to go organic way, how to supplement chicken feed, how to ferment feed, how to ferment plantain and banana stem. I have so many videos. You can go through my channel. You can watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, like, and also share if found this helpful.